How to make him miss you like crazy. If you're wondering how to make him miss you like crazy, it's not about playing games or being manipulative. The key is creating an irresistible dynamic where your absence leaves him longing for your presence. Did you know you can use simple reverse psychology techniques to make your ex want you back? Visit the link below in the description to learn more. Here are 9 ways to make him miss you deeply. 1. Be emotionally independent. Show him you have a fulfilling life outside the relationship. When he sees you thriving on your own, he'll miss your energy and presence. 2. Create mystery. Don't overshare every detail. A little mystery keeps him curious and wanting to know more about you. 3. Tease lightly. Flirt with him through playful teasing. This keeps the excitement alive and makes him crave your attention. 4. Show genuine appreciation. Compliment and appreciate him. When he feels valued, he'll miss the way you make him feel. 5. Limit your availability. Don't always be available. Giving him space makes him realize how much he misses you when you're not around. 6. Look your best. Take care of yourself physically. When you look good, he'll be reminded of how attractive you are and miss you more. 7. Be supportive, not a therapist. Offer emotional support but avoid being his emotional crutch. He'll miss the balance you bring to his life. 8. Give him space. Don't always be around. A little distance lets him reflect on the value you add to his life. 9. Create memorable moments. Make your time together unforgettable. When you leave lasting memories, he'll miss you more when you're apart. Incorporating these strategies into your relationship will have him missing you and appreciating your presence like never before. Do you want to learn how to get your ex back with this simple, proven reverse psychology techniques that make your ex beg you to come back? Visit the link below in the description to learn more. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe for more.